Hey, did you see it's raining outside?
It's raining? Yeah. I seen the clouds, but I didn't know it was raining. Let's see. Let's go. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. We're making a little video. I came in way too hot. And this is our Happy Thanksgiving from Stash Cap. Happy Thanksgiving, son! Oh, hold it. Alright, we out of here, Alright, we'll just play it off and we're out of here. But happy Thanksgiving, everybody. We out of here! What's up, fam? You guys are on Lena's head. But yeah, there you go. Just want to wish you a happy holidays. And always, you guys know, the subscribers already know, but if you're new, this is all done on a green screen. I park the car and I jack it up so the speedo works. But I put a green sheet all around my windows so it can be pretty, you know, it can look a little legit. All right. So it's all done by green screen. Do not do anything attempted in the video because it's all fake. But on a side note, drift car drifts good. I went to a track event and it was a pretty good practice. But happy holidays. Thanks for watching. We're almost to 5,000 subs. That's why I did something crazy like this, risking my license. But I'm not, because it's only a green screen, so I don't know what y'all talking about. Update on the drift videos coming in hot. Alright, so for the most part, see you guys later. And remember, it was a green screen. Do not attempt any of this because it's pretty dangerous in real life. But on the green screen, pretty chill. You know Forza? That's my little setup. I just hook it up to the car. Like, subscribe, comment, all this fame YouTube stuff. On the road to 5,000, hopefully before December's over. Alright, fellas, peace.
Bye.
Yeah, I'll just high five you because you like everybody had to be.